Come see this beautiful 14-year-old home built by well-known Reinhart builder. The 2-bed plus den, 2 full bath, 2-car garage with a lake view is located in North Sarasota. Floorplan is open and with the vaulted ceilings that give you such a good feel when you step inside. This model was considered the best in its class considering architectural design, curb appeal, owner's suite and floor plan. Freshly painted in neutral color, new landscaping, all stainless steel appliances, ice dispenser as is, whole house water softener and water purification system owned. All bedrooms have ceiling fans, very large walk-in closet in the owner's bedroom, beautiful wood cabinets throughout. Dishwasher and garbage disposal have been replaced in the last couple of years. The split floor plan gives you privacy when you have guests. Outside you have a large private paver patio to accommodate your grill and a very nice size screened in lanai with pavers to enjoy the lake view and the birds. You can have the morning coffee on your front porch swing. Additional utility sink in the garage makes it easy to clean your gardening tools, pets etc. Easy to install. Hurricane shutters are located in the garage. House is minutes away from UTC and all major shopping, restaurants, mall, SRQ airport, famous beaches, hospitals, churches and I-75. The low HOA fee, $550 per year, makes this a very desirable home. Come fall in love today.